Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. As always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. In this video, APLD sitting at 10.38. This is a buy under $10. It's right at major support. It has to hold 10s. If it does not hold 10s, we're going to start coming back down to like the $8 range. So buy under 10, and I would look to sell at 15 because that's the high. That would be a nice 50%. That's the play, at least. APLD, we're going to need the AI infrastructure. We're going to need the power, the energy for the AI revolution. Now, just be careful, because usually around earnings, it likes to drop. Also, insiders just sold, apparently. Sold, screw you, I'm not going to sign up. Sell 14 million shares of common stock for holders. You go to the monthly time frame. Oops, that's the wrong stock. You go to the monthly time frame. It would have been bullish if it can hold above this range. You can see it's been in this range for a while, since May 1st, 2023. So for 2 years, it was inside this range, and it finally broke above it, but it's seemingly getting pushed back inside that range. So that's why I'm saying just be careful, because if it doesn't hold above the top of this range, if it doesn't hold here at 10s and acts as support for us to start going higher and fluctuating up here, and going sideways up here between 10 and 12 or whatever, then we're just going to start going sideways up here at not up here as in inside a tight range, again, that same tight range that we've been in. And around earnings, like I said, it likes to drop. So you can see earnings here, big red candle, big drop there. So every earnings is just kind of, it's either a whole nothing or it just tanks for a couple of days in a row or gaps down. So that's why I'm saying, it's just be careful around earnings. If earnings is coming up, then you might want to hold off on buying at that point and let it tank and take advantage of the dip at that point. So you got to take all that into consideration when you're playing this stock, because it hasn't had earnings where it just runs, unfortunately. Until it breaks that pattern, we would assume that every earnings is just going to be red, right? So, if someone keeps throwing a right hook at you and that's all they keep doing, at some point you're going to wise up and you're just going to duck under it and counter with your own big right hand right to their jaw. Right? Because they're just showing you the same pattern. If they're not changing it up, it's like, well, okay, this is easy. I just duck under it and counter. Like this dummy just keeps throwing the same right hook over and over again. We're very good at recognizing patterns, guys. And I know you see it. So take advantage when this thing comes down under 10. That's it for the video.